When she peed her pants because Billy, who had brown eyes and purple suspenders, made her laugh so hard while she was climbing the monkey bars. A river of yellow ran down her blue jeans and stained her legs, transforming the tranquil light blue into a malicious and harsh darkness. Billy giggled and ran away, hollering every school teacher to deal with the freak on the monkey bars. She was sent home and spanked repeatedly by her prim mother. Her father didn't care so much. She never had much to say about him. Now she sits with her head way above the rain, past the clouds and through the sunlight's rays of wrath. She has curly hair, but is frizzy and rarely combed, so she does not look like a porcelain doll, even though some people swear are magic nights when her dark feathers are let down. It's her pasty pale legs. They are drawn on with oozing scabs that look like melting chocolate candies with cherries inside. Bruises of peaches and pickled cucumbers forcefully dig themselves beneath her skin, but her legs are long, so long. In fact, she can almost reach the sky. But these legs, they tell the girl how to make movements. So many deft movements that she's able to rise so highly above all the stagnant dancers and look impossibility square in the eye and fuck the blue right out of the ocean. The only thing we can know for sure is that the devil drinks too many milkshakes and doesn't give a damn to stop. She stretched her arms upward, her long fingers inviting the sun and the sky to scoop out the dirt beneath her fingernails and feed them to the birds. The devil cringed, not out of hatred, but because he might have just fallen in love. He asked her if she wanted a milkshake. Chocolate or vanilla, she asked. Or strawberry, he suggested. They smoked for another few hours until the lady in the diner told me that she was back.